Hello, we are on our way to Weymouth.
We are. We haven't been to Weymouth for so long.
No, it's quite away from our house, but we've just been in Poundbury.
What an amazing place. I really enjoyed it there.
Yeah, it's like a town designed by the king.
Yeah.
So yeah, we thought we'd check that out. And then we realised we were only 15 minutes from the seaside. And if you know anything about me, you know I love the seaside.
And ice cream.
Yeah. Mostly for the ice cream. No, we're going to Weymouth. We've got Louis with us also. He's already tired out from his day in Poundbury. But it is 4 o'clock now, and we thought we'd spend the afternoony evening by the sea for a little bit.
Why not? Why not? I think we'd regret if we didn't. So yeah, why not?
Still fly, I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
I just want to know when we ever pick the correct weather to do anything.
Well, it's always sunny when we're at work.
Yeah.
Never sunny in the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick the right day to come because tomorrow it's saying everywhere there's an Ironman event and the roads are closed. John would want to do that.
I'd love to do that, yeah. One day.
I can't think of anything worse. But yeah, all the roads would be closed, so if we'd have decided to come tomorrow, well, we wouldn't have been able to come tomorrow.
We might take a while to get here. Yeah.
I thought it would be quiet going to Weymouth, but it does seem like there's lots of cars still. We made it to the seaside.
We have. I do love it down here.
Yeah, we're at my favourite bit, where all the boats are.
Yeah, we walked to the harbour in a minute.
Yeah.
But it is nice. It's nice boats here as well, aren't there?
Yeah, we like to play a game called Pick Your Favourite Boat.
Yeah.
But we'll do that.
My one's over there, I think.
Over there?
Yeah.
I like the one with the doggies in it.
Yeah.
You like the seaside too, don't you?
He likes all your smells.
He does, yeah. Someone's been in the water in like a blow-up.
I take that one there. The cover on it.
That one?
Yeah, that's nice one.
I love the party boat.
Okay. That's a lovely one, that is.
That one looks like it's got a handle to lift it out of the water. Or that one.
That's old.
Oh. Smells like fish. We've got all the... Is that crabbing?
Yeah. It's not bad for that Louis' evening walk, is it?
No. This is where the tomato boats used to come in from Guernsey.
Yeah. That's pretty smart. We've got loads at home.
Yeah. I was just saying to John, I don't think I've ever been to the seaside and it not be raining.
Not in this country, anyway.
Except maybe Norfolk.
That was a nice week, yeah. I am.
Well, yeah,
that once.
Yeah, but we're just heading that way. I'm not sure what's down there.
The sea and the lifeboat station, I think.
Okay.
A couple more shops, maybe.
Yeah.
It is nice here. We do love it.
Yeah. So let's carry on exploring. I don't know why. I think it's so cute when he does that.
Give away smells, doesn't he?
He gets all the smells and he's having a look at the boats. Look. These ones look nice and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe these are like... They look like maybe they take people out on tours.
Well, maybe, yeah.
We're in a tunnel.
We are.
And there's a tunnel in the tunnel.
Oh yeah. The last time I was here, well not last time probably, but one of the last times, as a kid, I've been here for so long, me and Dad sat up there and it was really bad weather and all this was flooded and the way cars was here just floating down the street. We just sat there watching them.
Here, John would be a lifeboat volunteer.
100%, yeah, I would love to do that. Yeah, fair play to you, they do an amazing job.
Yeah. It must be interesting though.
Absolutely, and obviously weather like this is okay, but you get big waves.
Yeah.
Fair play to you. Yeah,
Well,
I'd love to do it.
If the waves come all the way down here to that bridge.
Absolutely.
Then
Yeah, no,
that
I'd love
must
to do
be
it.
good.
It would be amazing.
found the Ironman check-in thing. So if you're doing it or you've done it now, good luck.
This offers a harbour.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, have fun.
It looks like a proper setup.
It does, yeah. I'd love to do it one year. That'd be
Well,
amazing.
you do it and I'll clap.
Good luck, have fun. Yeah.
Louis will not be doing that.
No.
I'm getting in my car. There are people out there. Stood up as well. It's not deep.
No, it's not.
It's not deep and it's not cold. Off you go. Look. Spaniel's not quite as brave. But we found the seaside.
We have. It looks amazing. I do like it here.
Yeah, me too. Oh, he's lost his ball. Oh. Come on then. I don't know if you're just allowed to play on these volleyball nets, but it looks fun.
It does. They look amazing. Yeah.
And the sand looks so nice here.
It does. Have you ever played it?
Volleyball?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Maybe once.
Oh, yeah.
I'd
It
be
is
rubbish.
fun. Nah, you'd be good. You like tennis, but better.
I'm not good at tennis. Got an ice cream and John got an ice cream.
That's good.
You have to by the seaside. Ooh. Ice cream I've ever had.
It was really nice. Yeah, it's only about being at seaside.
Yeah. I think it's the only time I have a whippy one.
Yeah, I had a whippy for ages.
No. And John had nuts and I had
I did.
sprinkles.
That was
And
a
I'm
good choice of
it
mine.
was. I'm a bit jealous of his nuts ones, but I already asked for sprinkles. Look at the Red Bull cars.
It's got to be here for Ironman tomorrow.
Yeah, they've got to be here for Iron Man.
I really want to do that now, seeing this. I'm going to look into it. next
Okay,
year.
John's doing it. Watch this space.
Absolutely.
I have to tell you, when we came once, me and John, I think like 2012, but John's forgotten about it. We rented some pedalos here and we took them out to sea. And,
I remember that bit.
Yeah, and we were trying to pedal them to France. That was the aim.
We got told off.
Like 3 times, this boy kept coming up and going, "You're going too far," and we were really trying to get to France,
yeah.
but we never made it.
No. We got told off quite a lot.
Yeah, so just in case you
Don't do
wondered,
that when you-
you're not allowed to. Enjoyed our time at the seaside, and I found a shortcut back to the car.
It's been amazing. I've been enjoyed walking around there for
Yeah.
an hour or so. It's been amazing, yeah.
I love being by
I love
the sea.
Weymouth, yeah.
We're going to head back now because we're both starving.
Yeah, we could have got fish and chips, but they're all closed, weren't they?
Yeah.
So I don't think many was open.
They smelled so good though, like people that had them.
Yeah,
We just left it too late.
as always.
Yeah. And we have a nice tea tonight,
We do,
so
yeah.
we'll show you when we get back. We've got a sleepy boy there in the back.
I'm okay.
Oh, John's alright. That's good. But Louis is sleeping.
Yeah, he's had a good day of it, hasn't he?
Lots of adventure today.
Yeah, all the smells.
Yeah. There were so many dogs in Weymouth.
It was, yeah.
And loads of people, but I think some of them were there for the Ironman, weren't they?
Yeah, I definitely want to do that. I'm going to look at that when I get home. That'd be amazing. 'Cause it looked a proper event, didn't it? Like,
Yeah,
it had
it
the
did.
village set up as well. They had that check-in place that we showed you. Yeah, I'm going to look out for next year.
Fair play. I couldn't do it, but it did look like there were people that are obviously doing the Ironman tomorrow, out running and stuff.
Well, I kind of get that. Like a easy run the night
Oh,
before.
yeah, maybe.
You know, just to loosen up a bit.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I thought they would just be eating pasta. I thought that's all they had to do.
And you probably do that as well, but it was flat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like it's hilly, so it's an easy run for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's raining a little bit now. We're just driving home, and then we're gonna have this kind of kebab pitta concoction that we've made
we
up.
love that.
Yeah, it's so yummy. So we'll show you that, and then we'll probably watch some YouTube because I think Bob and Kelly have just put out the vlog where they meet Paul and Tom.
Awesome.
And we saw it from Paul and Tom's perspective.
We did.
So let's see what
That
Bob and
was
Kelly
really
think.
clever because that was last week. So they worked out well, aren't they?
Yeah. So that's exciting.
Yes.
stuck behind 2 tractors. And I'm pretty hungry now.
Yeah. It's a shame we missed it. It's a chip shop.
Yeah. It looks like they're turning now. Are they? Oh no.
Maybe.
They're gonna be stuck forever.
It's only a 1 train road as well. So there's no way to overtake them.
John's just taken Louis out for his final walk of the night, even though he doesn't need it, but he didn't do what he needed to do while he was out, so hopefully he'll do it now. And I'm just starting on tea. I've just been adding some of my favourite books of the month so far into our Amazon storefront. So that's linked down below if you're interested. But I've had a really good month. I'm going to do a video on it, so I'm not going to tell you everything I read. But I read some good books, and I'm really excited about it, because sometimes they're a little bit like me, but this time, oh, so good. But I'm currently reading, I'm not into it yet, so if you've read this book before, hopefully I'll have finished it by the time this video comes out, but if I've DNF'd it or whatever, if you've read this book before, please tell me whether I should stick around or what you thought of it, because that would be good. But I'm just trying to pull the name of it up. This time next year, and I know it's like a New Year kind of read, and I'm like 18% in, and I just don't care about the characters. So far it's like this girl and this boy, they've got the same birthday, so they're both born on like New Year's Day, but one of them is really lucky and the other one is really unlucky so far. But I think there was a Lindsay Lohan film that was kind of like that. It's like Just My Luck or something like that. But yeah, I'm not that into it, considering like the other books this month have been so good. But yeah, chips are in. John's still walking Louis, and I've just taken my hair bubble out, so ignore my crazy parting. But my hair was so knotty from the wind. I think it's still like a knot back there somewhere. So yeah, it feels a little bit wild, but I'm excited for tea because I'm hungry. Jonathan is back.
I am, yeah. He's well and truly done now, I think.
Yeah, so am I, honestly.
It's been an awesome day though, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has been good. I just said I'd put some of my favourite books from the month on our Amazon storefront.
Awesome, awesome.
Not the rubbish ones.
Okay, what's the rubbish one, was it?
I'm reading a rubbish one, I think, at the moment.
You can stop reading it.
No, I can't. Does anyone else have that problem? Because I literally can't.
Okay.
But yeah, and tea's in.
It is, it smells good. Yeah. Yes. That should be done soonish.
Yeah.
I think we're going to try, I think.
We still have to watch Bob and Kelly.
Oh yeah.
And I'm excited about that.
What's that one tea?
Yeah. John got himself a birthday present.
Well, not that exciting. A bit of tempered glass for my phone because I broke that.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
The next bit is exciting.
Yeah, this is cool. Hopefully. See, they quiet loops.
Yeah.
Ear loops.
They're ear plugs.
Yeah.
That are supposed to reduce the sound by 27 decibels.
What's really good, because if you don't know, I work nights. And sometimes in the daytime, it's quite noisy. There's like cars
people just
going
living
past.
their life.
Yeah, it's no one's fault. So I always put like ear defenders in when I'm sleeping. And they're okay when I got, but I've seen these and I think these could be better.
Yeah.
So are they new or are they just new for what I've
They've been
seen?
really pushing them online, like promoting them. But if you want a real review, because I know sometimes when things are promoted,
yeah,
then they're a little bit biased maybe. But if you want a real review, let us know and John can do that.
Absolutely.
Let you know
I'm excited. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they do like 3 different ones as well. So these are quiet ones to sleep in that I'll take in when I go at night. But there's ones like cut the background noise out if you're having a conversation in like a restaurant,
yeah,
and you can concentrate more on the conversation. There's ones like that. There's ones for like experience, like repairing a musical instrument.
Yeah.
So yeah, give these a go because I might get the other ones as well. If these work, I'll get the experience ones.
Yeah, but if you do want a review, just let us know.
Absolutely, I'll do one. Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. It's a cute lilac box though.
It is.
We've been working on our YouTube schedule, and this one here is kind of a list of the weekends that we've got and when we can go and do things, because somebody works every other week, or like Fire Brigade every other weekend.
Yeah.
That's the creation we like to call kebab.
We like this, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is good.
It's not quite a kebab, but it's our version.
Yeah, it is nice, tasty.
So we're going to watch Bob and Kelly,
We are. I'm looking forward to that.
and then we're probably going to zonk out, to be honest.
I'm really tired. Just see, yeah.
Yeah. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.